In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp AI. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to access ClickUp's built-in AI, use it to search, report, think, and create directly in your projects, and even spin up a dedicated virtual assistant to automate routine work. We'll keep everything inside your normal workflow so you're not jumping between tools or copying data around. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace. This is the hub where your tasks, lists, and projects live, and it's the best place to bring AI into the flow of your day. Make sure you're logged in and looking at the project you want to work on. Choosing the right space up front matters because the AI will reference what's in view and what's available to you. If you're in your content calendar, for example, your questions and reports will use information from that calendar. That context awareness saves you time and gives you more precise answers. At the top of the screen, near the search bar, look for the Ask AI button. Click it to open the ClickUp Brain panel on the right. Think of this panel as your command center. It's clean, focused, and designed to help you get answers fast without feeling cluttered. You'll see helpful categories such as Suggested, Featured, Search, Report, Think, and Create. Each one is tailored for a different kind of task, and you can either choose a tool from these sections or just type a question in natural language. Suggested is a great place to start when you're not sure what to ask. You'll find quick actions like summarizing meeting notes, turning bullet points into a clear update, or drafting an email. Search is your shortcut to instant visibility, especially when you need to know things like how many overdue tasks you have this week, or which items are blocked right now. If you've ever spent time filtering lists to find a simple answer, this will feel like magic. Report is ideal for status updates and quick snapshots of progress. Instead of manually compiling numbers, you can ask the AI to generate a progress report for the work in front of you. It pulls from real project data, so you get current metrics without fiddling with spreadsheets. Think and Create are where ideation and writing really come together. Use them to brainstorm ideas, outline a plan, or produce a first draft of a document. If you're facing a blank page, the AI can give you a structured starting point that you can then refine. To see it in action, try a small task first. For example, if you have weekly stand-up notes, choose Think and Create and select a Summarize option. The AI will produce a concise recap that's easy to share with your team. For reporting, pick Report and ask for an overview of current progress in the project you're viewing. Don't worry if it takes a moment the first time. Your workspace size can influence how quickly results come back. A little exploration goes a long way. As you try different prompts and tools, you'll quickly learn which ones fit your workflow best. Now, let's go a step further and set up an AI assistant dedicated to routine work. Inside the AI panel, look for the option to create or choose an agent. For this demo, we'll set up a super agent focused on being a virtual assistant. Click the virtual assistant option to continue. You'll see a description that highlights what it does. Things like automating repetitive tasks and helping with everyday coordination. Go ahead and open it to explore. Then step back to the main list once you've seen the overview. Next, take a look at a template geared towards scheduling, prepping, and managing meetings. Open it to preview how it's set up, then head back. This quick back and forth helps you compare options and pick the approach that best matches your workflow. If none of the presets fit exactly what you need, choose Start from scratch. This gives you the most control. From here, follow the prompts on screen. Click the highlighted fields and add simple instructions for what you want your assistant to do. Keep it clear and specific. For example, you might describe the tasks it should handle daily, the types of updates it should prepare, or the style of summaries you prefer. If you see any additional highlighted options, such as toggles or settings, click them to review and adjust as needed. These small tweaks help align the assistant with your team's processes. When your setup text is ready, open the thinking view to let the assistant process your instructions. It may take a moment. Once it's done, you can interact with it like you would with any smart helper. Ask it to summarize notes, prep an agenda, or draft a quick follow-up. Because it's operating inside your workspace, it can reference the tasks and docs you already have, which keeps everything consistent and reduces duplication. As you test the assistant, pay attention to how it responds to your wording. If a result feels slightly off, refine your instructions. Even a small clarification can improve its output dramatically. Over time, you'll develop a short, repeatable set of prompts that consistently produce what you need. That's where the real-time savings appear. Daily tasks start to run on rails, and you can focus on higher impact work. To recap, you accessed ClickUp AI from the Ask AI button, explored categories like search, report, think, and create to handle quick questions, summaries, and documents, and then set up a virtual assistant, previewed a meetings-focused option, and ultimately built one from scratch by filling in the highlighted fields and letting it think through your instructions. With just a few clicks, you've brought a powerful AI right into the heart of your project management workflow. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more practical tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. I check them regularly, and I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and happy working with ClickUp AI.